everyone, welcome back, and today is going to be another organization, and this time it's going to be here in my master's bathroom. And this is the current state of my master's bathroom, very plain and simple, nothing special on it. And if you guys have watched my pantry organization, I've shown you guys how my whole kitchen looks like. And I mentioned on that video that the less stuff over my countertops, the easier for me to clean. And basically, it's the same system here in my master's bathroom. I don't put much stuff over my counters because the less stuff over my counter, the easier for me to clean. But it's going to be a different story around here on this drawer and two cabinets. So we're going to be working on that today, and I'll show you how I organize them. First things first, I'm going to be emptying these drawers as well as the cabinets. And once I empty it, I'm going to be cleaning it up. And guys, I'm not even going to show you what's in there or the current state of the drawers right now because it's so embarrassing.
Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'll be just fine.
Okay, everyone, so I'm done cleaning the drawers and cabinets here in my master's bathroom, and I'm going to show you guys what the organization system that I've been using. And so far, I had this for a couple of years now, and it seems like the system that I just did a couple of years back did and still is working for me. So I'm not even going to change the bins. I just need to empty everything out so I can clean the bins as well as throw whatever I need to throw. And this organization system, I got it from Ikea, and it's the transparent bins that they have. And I got this in 2 sizes. And I like this because it comes with a cover or a lid, which you'll be able to stack them all up. I know I don't like the see-through, but anything inside the cabinet that is all covered up, I'm okay with the see-through organization bin. And plus, this is nice because most of the things that are inside these bins are extra toiletries. So just in case if we run out of some stuff that are needed, whenever my husband or my children will ask where it's located, I can just tell them where it is, and then once they open up the cabinets, they can easily see what's in it, and plus it has label in it, so it's categorized with certain stuff. And so far it's working for me. Like this one is like for shampoo, soap, and conditioner. The other bins are all for everything for teeth. So yeah, that's what I'm using. So I'm just going to be putting stuff here, and then I will show you another organization system that I had also for a couple of years, and it's working for me. But those are toiletries for myself. My husband has a different system, and I will explain to you guys why it's totally different from mine and his. So let me just start with this one first. So for my own little things, like my makeup and my personal knickknacks are in each of these bins, and they are categorized by certain things. This system worked for me, and I'm still going to be doing it. But during, or like couple of years ago, when I started buying this, and I got this from 99-cent store. They're only 99 cents. They don't have the color that I want. So I recently went back there, and finally they have the transparent white one, because I want this so that it's going to be uniform with my IKEA organization bin. So I'm going to check everything and see what I need to throw as well, and then put labels on each of this. So for my husband, I did reuse the old organization boxes that I have since it's color blue. These are all his shaving accessories with all the charges and stuff. And then when he opens the drawers, he wants it fast, easy, no fancy. So I chose him this open plastic boxes. That way, whenever he open his drawer, he can just see it at once, and then once it's done or he needs to use it, he can just get it and then just throw it in these boxes.
Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'll be just fine. Western shore, while the sun it slowly fades. Days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'll be just fine. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
Scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. So for my organization system, this is what works for me. And I had this for a couple of years now. And I like this kind of system because I can see all of the bins and like can see what's inside. And it is labeled for each of the boxes. So let's say, for example, I need to do my makeup, which it doesn't happen often. So I can just grab the box, use the thing, close the lid, lock it. And I like this box because it has a locking system as well. And then just put it here, and it's nice and organized and neat. And I still have some room space to add on in the future if I like it. And that's it. So guys, I did show you how I organize my stuff in one of the cabinets and 3 drawers here in my bathroom. But I did forgot to show you one of the cabinets, and the reason for that is because this cabinet is only designated for our laundry. I don't want any hamper blocking our pathways in the bathroom, and plus the laundry is not very pleasing to see anyways. So I assigned this cabinet just for that, and as you can see, it's empty right now because we're doing our laundry. Okay guys, so it's nothing fancy, but let me show you how the final look of my organization system here in my master's bathroom.
Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside, open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'll be just fine. Heading for the western shore.
So guys, this is how my master's bathroom looked like. Very plain and simple, but eventually I would like to start decorating around here in our master's bathroom. But for now, I'm just showing you guys how I do organize our things here. And hopefully I gave you some tips and tricks on how to organize your stuff, especially with budget in mind, because a lot or most of the organization things that I use here are from 99-cent store, and one organization system is from Ikea. So guys, please share, like, and subscribe. And as much as possible, I try to post once a week. So hit that notification bell. That way you get to be notified whenever I post some videos here on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.